The village below explodes in a kaleidoscope of light and color, celebrating the peak of the Lantern Festival. Wukong, agile and alert, perches on a rooftop, his keen eyes scanning the night sky. Beside him, Tao, the tiny turtle, his shell gleaming, gazes up with adoration as countless glowing lanterns ascend. One magnificent, star-shaped lantern, shimmering with ethereal light, rises, carrying children's collective hopes. Suddenly, a powerful gust of wind violently tears the star lantern from its path, pulling it toward the dark forest. A collective gasp of panic ripples through the festive crowd as their hopes drift towards danger. Wukong, a golden blur, launches himself from the rooftop, a fearless leap into the moonlit night. He lands silently on the first tree, then the next, a swift, agile movement against the moonlit canopy. Tao follows, slower but determined, his bioluminescent shell casting an emerald glow on the tangled roots. The soft glow of Tao's shell illuminates Wukong's rapid path into the forest's deepening shadows. The forest grows denser, branches like gnarled fingers, as the joyous festival sounds fade to a muffled murmur. Wukong's sharp eyes pierce the oppressive darkness, his ears straining for any faint rustle or whisper. Suddenly, a faint, star-shaped glimmer catches his attention, a beacon in the inky blackness. It is the fragile lantern, caught precariously on a high branch of an ancient, gnarled oak, swaying gently. Under the ancient oak, Wukong begins his challenging ascent, powerful limbs gripping the rough bark, the darkness clinging to his form. The branch groans and sways precariously as Wukong climbs higher, while Dao's small voice calls out, "You can do it, Wukong!" The branch creaks ominously, threatening to snap as Wukong pauses, assessing the daunting distance. With a calculated, powerful leap, Wukong springs, his fingers gently closing around the delicate lantern frame. Lantern secured, Wukong begins his careful descent, the precious cargo held aloft, a beacon against the night. A joyous cheer explodes in the village square as Wukong and Tao emerge from the tree line, a renewed star lantern glowing brightly. Wukong gently releases the lantern, its radiant glow illuminating the excited faces of the children below. The star lantern soars higher than ever, a beacon of dreams against the vast, star-peppered night sky. Its ascent fills the night with magic, painting smiles on every child's face as it fades into the cosmic tapestry.